everyone, and welcome back to 4B's English lesson video. My name is Richard, and today I'm going to say a sentence and I'd like you to find the mistake. Are you ready? It's a nice weather, isn't it? It's a nice weather, isn't it? Did you catch the mistake? Alright, let's try that again, but this time a little bit slower. Are you ready? It's a nice weather, isn't it? It's a nice weather, isn't it? Did you catch the mistake? Alright, let's try that again, but this time I'll show you the sentence. Are you ready? It's a nice weather, isn't it? Did you find the mistake? Alright, the mistake is a. So the word weather is uncountable and doesn't need a. So the correct way to say it is, it's nice weather, isn't it? So you may have heard the weather, but in this situation, you are mentioning a particular place or time. For example, the weather in our town will be fine tomorrow. So in this case, I am mentioning the weather in our town tomorrow. Alright? Alright, so let's practice the correct sentence together. Please repeat after me. It's nice weather, isn't it? Great, one more time. It's nice weather, isn't it? Great, so now you know how to correctly use weather in a sentence. My name is Richard. Remember to please click like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.